2027 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome, the ultimate hyper-luxury home on wheels. Imagine combining the breathtaking performance and prestige of Bugatti with the comfort of a five-star hotel on wheels. Welcome to the futuristic 2027 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome, a concept that could redefine what is possible in the world of premium touring. From the outside, this extraordinary motorhome would look unlike anything else on the road. Inspired by Bugatti's famous design language, the concept could feature a sweeping aerodynamic body, an iconic horseshoe-style front grille, sculpted bodywork, and distinctive LED lighting. Every surface would be designed to create a sense of speed, elegance, and exclusivity. The body could be constructed using lightweight carbon fiber composites and advanced aluminium materials, helping to reduce weight while maintaining exceptional strength. Large alloy wheels, performance-inspired brakes and electronically controlled suspension could give this enormous luxury motorhome a surprisingly sophisticated stance. Step inside, and the experience would be more private jet than traditional motorhome. The interior could feature handcrafted leather, carbon fiber detailing, polished metal accents and premium wood finishes. A spacious lounge would provide comfortable seating for traveling and entertaining, while an electrically adjustable dining table could transform the space for meals or business meetings. The main living area could include a large high-definition entertainment screen, a premium surround sound system and intelligent lighting that changes according to the time of day. Large panoramic windows would allow passengers to enjoy spectacular views while traveling through the countryside. The kitchen could be designed like a luxury apartment, with an induction cooking system, integrated refrigerator, premium storage compartments and a sophisticated coffee station. Everything would be carefully arranged to maximize space without compromising on style. Moving towards the rear, the concept could offer a luxurious master bedroom with a large bed, climate control, and a panoramic viewing area. A premium bathroom could include a walk-in shower, designer fittings, and high-quality materials. Depending on the final layout, additional sleeping accommodation could be available for guests. Technology would be another major highlight. The 2027 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome concept could feature a fully digital dashboard, advanced navigation, 360-degree cameras, and intelligent driver assistance systems. A central touch screen could control lighting, climate, entertainment, and vehicle functions from one location. Now let's talk about performance. Because this is a fictional concept rather than an officially confirmed production model, there are no official engine specifications. However, if Bugatti were ever to create a true luxury motorhome, the powertrain would likely need to be specially engineered for the vehicle's considerable size and weight. For this concept, imagine a high-performance hybrid powertrain combining a powerful petrol engine with electric assistance. A twin-turbocharged engine could potentially deliver around 800 to 1000 horsepower, while electric motors could provide additional instant torque and smoother acceleration. The goal would not necessarily be to turn this enormous motorhome into a hypercar. Instead, the focus would be effortless performance, rapid acceleration when required and confident high-speed cruising. In our fictional performance estimate, the Bugatti Luxury Motorhome could potentially accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in around 6 to 8 seconds, depending on its final weight and powertrain configuration. That would be seriously impressive for a luxury vehicle of this size. As for top speed, a realistic electronically limited figure could be somewhere around 100 to 120 miles per hour. While that may sound modest compared with a Bugatti hypercar, it would still be more than enough for a large luxury motorhome designed for long-distance touring. And now, it's time for the road test. Imagine the 2027 Bugatti Luxury Motorhome arriving on a winding British country road. The first thing you would notice is its size, but as the vehicle begins moving, the advanced suspension system would help deliver a remarkably controlled ride. On smooth motorways, the motorhome could feel calm and refined, with the powerful engine working effortlessly at cruising speeds. The cabin would remain quiet, allowing passengers to relax, watch entertainment or enjoy conversation without the usual noise associated with large motorhomes. On tighter country roads, the vehicle's advanced steering and camera systems would become particularly important. Despite its impressive dimensions, electronically controlled suspension and sophisticated driver assistance technology could help the driver maintain confidence through bends and narrow sections. During acceleration testing, the hybrid powertrain could deliver strong and immediate performance. Instead of dramatic hypercar-style acceleration, the experience would be more about smooth, powerful thrust. Braking performance would also be crucial. With a vehicle this large and heavy, powerful performance brakes and advanced electronic braking assistance would be essential for maintaining safety and control. For long-distance touring, comfort would arguably be the biggest advantage. The Bugatti concept could be designed to travel hundreds of miles in complete luxury, transforming a simple road trip into a first-class travel experience. Now we come to the biggest question: the price. There is currently no official price for a 2027 Bugatti luxury motorhome because no such production model has been officially announced. However, if a vehicle of this level were ever developed as an ultra-exclusive, bespoke project, the price could be extraordinarily high. A speculative estimate could place the starting price somewhere between £3 million and £6 million, with highly personalized versions potentially costing considerably more. That would put it firmly into the world of ultra-luxury collector vehicles. Of course, this figure is purely hypothetical. The actual price of any future Bugatti motorhome would depend on its engineering, production costs, technology, materials, and level of customization. The biggest question is whether Bugatti would ever actually build something like this. At present, there is no confirmed production announcement for a 2027 Bugatti-branded motorhome. So, what we are looking at today is best understood as a futuristic concept and exciting vision of what could happen if Bugatti's design philosophy entered the world of luxury motorhomes. If such a vehicle ever became reality, it could offer an extraordinary combination of performance, technology, exclusivity, and five-star living. It would not simply be a motorhome. It would be a mobile luxury suite designed for people who want to travel across Europe without giving up the finest comforts. From its dramatic exterior and high-performance hybrid powertrain to its handcrafted interior and advanced technology, the imagined 2027 Bugatti luxury motorhome represents the ultimate expression of luxury travel. And that brings us to the end of our look at this incredible futuristic concept. If Bugatti ever decides to transform this dream into a real vehicle, it could become one of the most talked about luxury motorhomes ever created. Until then, the 2027 Bugatti luxury motorhome remains a fascinating vision of what the future of high-end travel could look like, where the excitement of a performance machine meets the comfort of a five-star hotel, all traveling together on four wheels.